Today we decided to do a challenge video. Woo! And what's been going around in the YouTube world is I tried this person's makeup tutorial, and this is tutorial, and this is what it looks like. So we've decided that we're gonna scroll through YouTube and find a tutorial that we like.
Yeah.
And
we're going to try to follow.
And we're going to try to follow.
Because we're not professional makeup artists.
Yeah, you guys know that.
Yeah.
And some of the YouTube videos that you watch, I feel like, so difficult.
Yeah. And
you're like, how in the hell am I going to follow this? You look good, but I can't follow it.
Sometimes just the photo itself scares me off. I was like,
I can't do that. So yeah, grab your phone.
Okay.
Let's scroll YouTube.
Let's go. Okay. Got my YouTube app.
Google makeup tutorial.
Makeup tutorials. Natural makeup routine. I feel like that would be too easy.
Yeah, I tried following a Nikki tutorials, makeup tutorial, full coverage. Oh, right here, Patrick Starr. How about Patrick Starr?
Let's do that.
Should we use that one? We're gonna use Patrick Starr's full coverage spring makeup tutorial.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to do that. Full coverage.
Let's see what we look like.
And for the giveaway for this video, since it involves like a lot of makeup, we feel like giving away an awesome big palette will be handy for you guys.
Can I qualify for it?
Right?
Know,
how nice is that? So stay tuned to the end of the challenge and on how to win this.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so he starts with his foundation, which is awesome because a lot of people start with their eyes. I'm happy he starts with his foundation.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna use our own foundation.
And he applies it directly to his skin too.
Okay, then he's using like a, what is it?
Like a cream foundation, so it comes in like a little pod. So we're gonna go on to a cream foundation. Okay, so now he's going on to concealer.
He does the V I do, guys. He does the V I do.
He kind of does like a U. Okay, so
yeah,
we'll
he does
do
a U. Oh, he does a lot. So he brings it all the way down.
No wonder he likes the bigger one. He uses so much product.
So this is like basically a full glam look. So far, he's pretty easy to follow along, but we haven't gone to the eyes yet. That's where it gets complicated.
That's when it gets hard.
Okay, so then he blends.
So now he's going to set his under eye with the Beauty Blender and a baking powder, okay?
Wait, he used 2 products? He's double setting? Oh, he's puffing too. Hold on.
Whoa.
So he used 1.
Okay, 1 for his under eye.
Yeah, let's do 1 for the under eye with the Beauty Blender. I think Patrick Starr is mainly known for, like, when he does his makeup, he's known for, like, powdering the whole thing.
Okay, so then he uses...
like a puff.
A puff, and he puffs his whole face.
Oh my god.
All over, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do you not run out of product after the 3rd time of doing your makeup?
He's getting a lot of free product.
Okay.
So he's moved on to eyeshadows and he's using basically like the peachy pink colors, like I want to say in this territory, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then he's taking a crease brush, so on the crease. And then he takes a lighter pink color.
Like a shimmery one.
Okay, and he does it in the crease as well.
Yeah. Oh, I'm already way too pink for my comfort. So he takes like
a hot pink color.
Like a pink ear color, like this one. Patrick Starr's at like an advanced level.
So that
he's like, oh, this is how you do it.
Moving on to glitter.
Okay, so let's do glitter.
So we're doing glitter on our lids.
Just the lids.
Just the lids. It looks like he leaves the ends a little open because he adds a different color.
Yeah. Like he darkens it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add the glitter.
Guys,
It's a lot of
I don't
anxiety.
know how I'm gonna look after all this.
You know what's funny? We've seen Patrick Starr in person. We've seen all like these pro YouTube makeup artists in person. They slay their makeup. Like they look like this.
They are like literally
Amazing.
works of art.
Yeah. His is a little more pink. Ours is a little more yellow. We couldn't find like the exact same tone.
I mean, I don't know where
It
I
works. Whoa.
am. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So he takes like a purplish glitter now.
For the outer corners of his eyes.
Okay.
So he puts it on the outer corner.
Yeah. Here's my brush. Okay. I feel like it kind of looks like it.
You're a unicorn.
That's what he said. He said you're gonna look like a unicorn, and I kind of do.
Oh, it's like a unicorn.
I think his definition, Patrick Starr's definition of a spring makeup is definitely different than our definition.
I know.
of
My
spring.
definition of spring makeup is like
Here's coral lipstick.
coral lips, pink lips. Okay.
Black eyeliner.
Black eyeliner.
Pencil side and smudge it in my lash line.
Oh, he's doing a pencil.
And drama on a little flat top angle brush.
He's adding drama, he said.
I'm just gonna go over all the.
Okay, so he does a pencil, blends it, and then does a liquid eyeliner after.
Okay.
Okay, and then it's black eyeliner on top of it.
Now we're on to lashes.
Okay.
Yes, lashes.
See? He put the lashes on and it looks amazing.
Yeah, it does. Okay,
Okay.
on to lashes.
Which ones do you want to use?
Whoa. I think you know the answer to that one, but it's okay, I'll let you decide. I'm already out of my comfort zone.
Live a little. You can handle lashes more than I can.
I'm going
I mean,
balls to the wall.
the lashes he used were named Dragon, so I don't know if we want to get that extreme.
I think these are the lashes. They look like little dragons. Okay.
I'm like shaking from anxiety.
Oh dang, look at my eye.
Oh, it actually doesn't look bad. It looks good. I'm telling you, the lashes are the trick here.
It does feel like, wow, okay, first of all, my eye feels like 25 pounds. I mean, I don't know, I'm feeling myself right now.
You're gonna go home and Sebastian's not gonna recognize you.
He's gonna be like, Mama! Okay, a little bit of mascara before.
You know what I realized just right now?
What?
Our under eyes aren't even done yet.
Your lashes are so much more natural than mine.
They still feel 700 pounds.
Gotta go big or go home.
Oh my god, I can't see. I cannot do lashes. Honestly, I give him so much credit.
Okay, so we're gonna take some powder and basically get rid of
All the setting powder.
all the setting powder. I never thought to mix it with other powder. I just used to always just take it off.
Me too. I'm not gonna lie, I learned a few things from Patrick Starr
For
right now,
sure.
so far.
Okay,
Take a lighter color and the pro finish powder and put this on the
and then
Guys, my foundation.
kind of
looks
dapping in a
so-
lighter color.
Next, I'm gonna take Give Me Sun on a smaller contour, which I never do this.
Okay, and then bronzer.
Look, you've been working out since January for New Year's resolutions. And your cheek. A smaller brush is gonna give you that more precise.
With a smaller brush. Okay.
Oh no. And this is the Morphe E48 brush. I love it for contouring. It's so, so good.
Oh, we're really contouring here.
Blush. Do you see
Okay.
the highlight that for blush during the day, I like to put it on the
Okay,
top.
so blush.
For nighttime, I'll like bring it up. So I'm gonna concentrate on one that happens to give me that young,
Kind of like the apples
fresh,
right here.
Forever 21 look, you know? Forever it's gonna be
So apples of the cheeks.
The Forever 21 look.
The what?
He said like young, like youthful, like Forever 21.
Oh.
Okay.
in a brush with no product and really my nose because you know sometimes when you go on wet,
Okay, so he just like does it with a brush and then he blends it in. He's doing it with like a smaller brush. And then he takes a brush and just kind of blends it. Okay.
oh, but like we're looking like we're going to drag con. Now for under the eyes, I'm gonna take a little bit of nude and no filter, like a purple and a pink.
Purple
and a pink.
under the eyes. What brush are you using for this? Okay.
Well, I was using this kind of brush, which is what he's using, but I just switched over.
I think I need a smaller one too. Okay.
All right, the final step is spraying your face.
Voila!
Was that it? Is the video
Yeah,
done?
and then his mom comes in and they do a nice little hug. So,
What do you guys think? I learned a few things from him, like the powder all over the face.
powder all over the face. I really love that. I'm not crazy about the colors, but I would totally recreate this look with other colors.
And it's funny because I learned that like the edges of the eye, I usually bring it all the way in,
Yeah.
and now it's like I see
the
it, it
difference.
looks like very professional,
Yeah.
like makeup artist look. And I like actually if I'm going to a wedding or something,
Totally doing this look.
The face is actually really good. I feel like it gives like great coverage.
I feel like my face looks like flawless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay!
Hope you guys enjoyed our tutorial of Patrick Starr's tutorial. And for our giveaway.
Oh yeah, the big palette, you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Leave a comment below on upcoming challenges you want us to do. You guys actually recommended
Yeah.
this one. And we'll see you next time.